This restful blend promotes a serene atmosphere, allowing bedtime to be a peaceful and welcomed experience. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Calmer Restful Blend. And this is a nice roll on bottle that's already diluted with fractionated coconut oil and specifically designed for kids, but it's great for all ages as well. And the common uses are aromatic, so breathing it in, and then also topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of the Calmer roll on blend is that it creates a restful environment that promotes sleep. It also promotes a stress-free and positive mood and is soothing and relaxing to the body. Who doesn't need that? That's right, after a long day or even a stressful day. So directions for use are rolling on a couple swipes onto the back of the neck or chest to make sleepy time a reality. And then you can also roll onto dolomite clay or diffusing jewelry to help unwind at night or for a nap. And those are nice to kind of have on hand or just placed in a book bag as well, so that easy access. Other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below because there's 5 other oils as a part of this Kids Oil Blend series, and these are really great to support all their health priorities. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.